Now I want to show you how to use InVideo to create a video for social media. This is like YouTube Shorts or a video for TikTok or Instagram. They have that vertical format and they're relatively short, under 60 seconds. So it's a different video format that you can use. These types of videos tend to get a lot of views. They can go viral. It's not a guarantee, obviously, but they have that ability to them. And once you're able to create videos like this will be a good addition to the existing videos that you can create in the horizontal formats that are a few minutes long. The TikTok style videos will be short videos, so that way wherever you're posting videos, whether it's on traditional YouTube videos, whether it's YouTube Shorts, whether it's on TikTok, on Instagram, on other platforms, you'll be able to create any kind of video. So let's go through the workflow for how to create such a video. So basically we're on our dashboard and you can say use AI video, and on the bottom of the screen you'll see options and it says here YouTube Shorts. You can use YouTube Shorts, but it's also interesting to explore what are all the options. When you click on explore all, you can see you can make a YouTube explainer video. That's more of a traditional YouTube video. You can give it a script, it will make a video. You can create a YouTube short, you can create a TikTok video, Instagram reel, or even a recent events video. So there's a lot of stuff you can do, but let's do the YouTube Shorts like we planned to. And let's give it the task. Usually these kinds of short videos, they're very clickbaity. And so that's the task I gave it. I asked it to make a video on 3 of the most underrated productivity hacks. The reason it's the most underrated, that's clickbaity, right? The person will want to know, oh, what are those the most underrated? And instead of underrated, you can maybe say least known. So they're going to want to know, oh, I want to know this least known, so I want to know. And I'm going to use my voice. Then I'm going to not use subtitles. Then I'm going to leave the subtitles as they are. And then use iStock normally. Let's leave that. Click continue. It creates the prompt for you. We'll just leave that and we'll say create a video and let it work. Now it created the video. Let's watch it together just to see how it came out.
Here are 3 lesser known productivity hacks to help you make the most of your time.
Well, we don't need those productivity hacks. There are a million productivity hacks online, but you can see that the video is the kind of a format for shorts and TikTok. So it's perfect. You can export this and upload it everywhere you want. So right away, boom, you have a video that you can post. The only thing that I would caution is don't do it this way, because I asked AI to come up with 3 productivity hacks. Now there are 1,000 different productivity hacks, some of which you may prefer over others. AI cannot read your mind. So what you have to do is prompt it better. Prompt it what those 3 productivity hacks should be. Don't make videos where you really have no idea whether the AI is going in the right direction or not, because again, it's not a mind reader, it's just smart. So the takeaway is, yes, you can get the videos made, but the better you prepare, the better your prompt is, the more likely the video will come out as you had hoped, rather than just leaving it up to chance.